Yes, we have seen this statement attributed to the Indian Water Resource Minister regarding the future flow of water to Pakistan. And as I've said previously, any attempt to block or substantially curtail water that is vital to livelihood, agriculture, and well-being of more than 250 million Pakistani would be a deeply irresponsible act and contrary to established international obligations concerning transboundary rivers and indeed India's own bilateral agreement with Pakistan. Pakistan firmly rejects any notion that water can be treated as a political tool or instrument of coercion or a weapon. Such actions would threaten not just regional peace and security of South Asia and beyond, and the responsibility of such threat to international peace and security would fall squarely on India's shoulder. Pakistan's rights and interests in respect of its water resources are non-negotiable. We will vigorously defend those rights through all available diplomatic, legal, political, economic, and other measures consistent with international law and the UN Charter. Any deliberate attempt to block water essential to Pakistan's survival and development would constitute an extremely grave act with far-reaching consequences. As stated by at the top leadership level by Pakistan, any such act would be treated with utmost seriousness and could possibly amount an act of war. Under Article 51 of the UN Charter, every state retains the inherent right to self-defense. Pakistan will take all necessary measures to safeguard its economy and its vital national interest and lives of its 250 million people. We call upon India to act responsibly, honor its international commitment, and refrain from statements and actions that could further escalate tensions in the region. Pakistan remains committed to safeguarding its interests, as I said, and we will closely monitor developments on the ground in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and elsewhere.